guys, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to complete our page number 23, Writing Study. Unit 2 is about the red rubber ball. Open up your books, page 23, Writing Study. In Writing Study, today we are going to learn about questions. Whenever you ask a question, you always start a sentence with who, when, what, where, or why. Always remember, whenever you are going to start the question, I'm again repeating myself, you're always going to start your sentence with who, when, what, where, or why. For example, what is your favorite game? You're asking a question. What, starting with what, is your favorite game? Again, you are asking a question. Why do you like to play it? You have started this question with why, because you're asking a question. And you are already well aware of this concept that you're going to end a question by using a question mark. That's easy. Now let us see, we have an exercise over here. You have to write down the questions about game. Use question words. The words that we have just learned, like what, when, why, where. Pause this video and solve this exercise. And then we are going to match our answers, because I have solved this exercise for you as well. Let us match our answers. First one was already mentioned in the book, that is, what is your favorite game? Who do you like to play with? Why do you like this game? Where do you like to play this game? When do you prefer to play this game? You see, I have started each question with a word like what, who, why, where, and when, because I am writing a question. And whenever you are going to start a sentence, which is a question, you're going to use these words. Now what you have to do is, you have to write 5 questions about my favorite sport on loose sheets. That's all for today.